I'm Alexandra, and I'm going to be giving you a tour of my house. My brother's recording. And,
Hi.
Yeah, and so he might say everything, something every now and then. So this is our family room. Okay, stop now. This is our computer room area, family room thing. So computer. I was using that. So and then this is a giant map of the world. It has every place you can think of. No, not really, but sort of. And here's where we live. Woo! In the United States, of course. Yeah. Anyway, let's go. Okay, TV's on. Okay, so this is our laundry room. I'll turn on the light in here. This is our laundry room.
Laundry room.
And here's our second fridge.
Right.
And now, this is our hallway thing. There used to be that whiteboard on this wall, but we had to take it off. And then this is our kitchen. Let me turn off the TV. Hold on.
Cheese grater.
Alright.
Pantry.
Now, so this is our kitchen. And then this is our living room.
Radar.
Good boy, sit. Radar, sit. This is Radar. Good boy. Radar, come.
Big TV.
And then that's our big TV. Hold on, I have to get Radar a treat. Good boy. You can eat it. Okay, so then that's our dining room. It's nighttime, so it's kind of hard to see, but this is our porch thing. It's like a bridge. It's pretty awesome. Okay, you don't have to go out on. Yes, you can't see it very well.
Yeah. Here's a better view of Radar.
See. Alright, and this is Roxy. They're like twins. Do people love?
Have a Roxy story. No, Radar, don't lick the camera.
Sorry about that. And then these are the stairs leading upstairs. So I shall go upstairs to show you people upstairs. Let's go upstairs. Come on, brother of mine.
Window. Big window.
Parents' room.
Actually, I think that's our biggest window.
Oh, whatever.
Parents' room.
Okay. This is our pool table loft area. This is Maxie.
This is Max. Roxy likes to follow us.
Yeah, Roxy's a sweetie.
No, Roxy, don't lick the camera.
And then this is the piano and the pool table and stuff. And
Pool table.
This is Daniel's room. Guys, it's filming. Voila.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Not going to show you the floor necessarily.
let's go. Okay then. Oh, this is our hallway.
Another hallway. Never had a whiteboard here, though.
We wanted one.
Yeah.
I'm going to film my room. Thank you very much.
So this is my room. Yeah. It's messy. Tell me about it. That's my awesome swing.
That's an awesome chair.
It's my swing chair. It's pretty cool. And that's my bed. It has like 3 comforters on it. I have a bunk bed just like Daniel. And then, yep, that's my room. Oh, and that's my collection of scarves. And she also has a walk-in closet.
Yep. Oh, here's.
See?
You don't want to go in there.
There,
Shut the door
walk-in
now.
closet.
And then this is the bathroom. Me and Daniel share this bathroom here.
Well, actually, sorta.
This one is mine.
This
is
area is Alex's.
And then then this is where the toilet. You
Toilet.
don't have to show the toilet. And
I
then,
did.
Sorry.
Bathtub.
And shower. And then this is Daniel's Daniel's bathroom.
Cleaner.
Not really.
Yeah, it kinda is.
Roxy, come on.
Come, Roxy. Now for the downstairs.
Yeah, I'm downstairs.
Yeah.
We have 3 floors to our house. Sorry, this film's gonna be a little long. Not trying to brag, just to let you guys know. You can turn it off at any point, just for like my friends who haven't seen my house and stuff. Which is like.
Yeah, and also just so you guys can understand where we are in our different videos.
Well, sometimes we're at different people's houses and at our schools and stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, anyways, this is going upstairs. Let's go on down there. Lots of stairs in our house. It's kind of hard to get from one place to the other. Always losing things. Yeah. So we have 3 sisters, by the way. Well, he has 4, but
I have 4. Well, 3 of them are stepsisters.
yeah, but we just call them.
And I call them my stepsister.
I don't, but this is their bathroom. I mean, we use it when we're down here, but it's kind of rare, sort of. Okay.
This is
Simone's room. We're not actually. Okay. Sorry. Yeah, this is Simone's room.
open it so they can see.
We're just gonna open just so you can stick your little head in there. Just stick it, and we're done now.
Yeah.
So
Just don't tell Simone about this, okay?
We're not going to open them. And this is Sage's.
Just a quick peek.
No.
What?
Because she's going to subscribe, right?
Oh yeah.
Sorry, we're thoughtful.
Yeah.
Oh, what is that noise? Oh, Hannah's.
Hannah, this is our stepsister Hannah's
How
room.
about you don't step in?
No, I want to.
She gives me full permission to come. Hannah. Okay, sorry about that. Hannah.
Oh, we have 2 more dogs.
Oh yeah, these ones are.
Shut the door so we can let them run around. Oh, this is little boy. Hi, little boy. This is no.
Oh wait, I have hold on.
And then this.
Get her.
This is our Wii. It's off right now. And we have like Mario Kart and stuff. Here, I got her. Here, take the camera. Ah! Sorry. Whoa, little boy, you almost knocked that over there. Here's an awesome xylophone thing that my sister got for her birthday.
Alright, and then this is our
Foosball table.
Okay,
There he is.
let's go now. Sorry.
This treadmill right there treadmill. Drum kit.
Come on out. Alright.